Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these, I guess they would be like geometric flip-flops. And they're using a couple of Swarovski crystal shapes that I haven't ever tried, which is this rectangle and then these pearls. Also, I have fixed them with a hot fix tool, so all of this is kind of new. If you like how this looks, stay tuned and I'll show you the tools that I used. For this project, I used gray flip-flops and a hot fix tool. This is my first time using a hot fix tool. I didn't even know that I needed it until I opened up the crystals and saw that they were hot fixes, so I'm really excited to try this. On the package, it says that you can use an iron, so I'm assuming if you have hot fix crystals and you don't have this particular tool, you can use an iron. The only problem with this, of course, is that these straps are plastic, so I will be using this. And I will show you the package of crystals that I used next. This pack has 90 pieces, so I'm going to be mindful of the fact that I need to divide them out so that my flip-flops match. I haven't ever purchased crystals from an actual store, but I just love the idea of them matching up the crystals so that you kind of already have your design ready made. So I'm going to get started and show you my progress. Because this Swarovski crystal is in a square shape, I chose the hot spot as the tip to use in the hot fix tool. This is the progress so far. I've added the shapes to one strap of the flip-flop. I'm going to keep going and check back in. This is what the flip-flop looks like now that I've added the beads. I'm going to finish this side and show you the final results. As a reminder, this is the original flip-flop. This is the side that I haven't done yet. So this is how it looked before. And this is the final result. I like how this turned out. I do want to show you that I used the wrong size tool cap and I burned one of the pearls. But other than that, I really like how this turned out. I like using the hot fix tool. It's definitely something I have to get used to, but I like having another way to affix the Swarovski crystals to the flip-flops. And I like that they'll stay on a little bit more securely than I feel like the glue holds it on there. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a really great week and I will see you next time.